Hello everyone, welcome back to Sporaria YouTube channel. Alright guys, so yeah, in this video I would like to share you a tutorial on how to change back button position on Samsung Galaxy A56. Alright guys, so yeah, for those of you who feel uncomfortable with the back button on your cell phone being on the right or left, then don't need to be worried because you can change the position of your back button so that you feel comfortable again. And how to do that is very easy, so yeah, without any further ado, now let's get started to the tutorial. Alright guys, so the first thing first that you have to do is, of course, now you can go to settings menu on your phone like this. And then after that, now you can scroll down and go to display. And then now you can scroll down and go to navigation bar. And then click more option. So here now you can change the back button position as you want. And the back button position will change immediately. Alright guys, so yeah, here's the tutorial and thank you so much for watching guys. Bye bye.